Hello YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to Meg's channel in my video description box. If you want to check out the people that are actually doing videos for Meg, there's links to them all on her video page. Follow the link on my video description box and you'll be able to find that information. This is the journal I'm using. So it's a tab bound journal, very first one that I've ever done, so it's a little bit rough but it's pretty good for what I want, and I'll be filling a page every day using the prompts provided by Meg. So welcome to day 3. So our prompt for today is tickets. So I'm just going to get on with this, and let me just remind you, if you're enjoying the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You can share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to leave me a comment. So if you haven't got time to leave a long comment, you can just leave me a heart or a smiley face in the comment section instead. So I hope you enjoy this one. So I'm going to start with some collage, so get a few pieces of different papers down before I put my focal points on. So I'm going to glue my travelling funky girl down, and why am I putting a leaf in her hand, you might be asking? Well, I'll tell you why. It's because she's leaving town. Sorry about that one. And this pencil that I'm using to do my outlining with is a water-soluble graphite pencil, and I think it's by Staedtler. I'll put a link to it, or the name of it, in the video description box. So once I get all that on, I'm going to activate it with water, and actually at this part I am dipping that pencil into water before I apply it to the page. Time for some gold splatters. So I have my gold watercolour paints here, the Kuretake paints, and I'm just going to apply some dots here and there, and then I end up colouring in her shoes, her hair and her bag with the gold, and then I do some more spatters on the page because I can, for no other reason. It was the mood I was in. Sometimes you just gotta do what you feel like doing and don't worry about what people think about it. So that was the final touches, the gold spatter. See you for the next one. Thanks for watching. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!